Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give like, share it and give comments. Term 3, 7th Standard, History, First Lesson, New Religious Ideas and Movements. In this lesson, we are going to see about devotional movement of Alvas and Nayanmas, teachings of Kabir and Guru Nanak, and impact of Bhakti movement. The Bhagavad Gita insisted the path of Bhakti Marga or the Bhakti path of Bhakti. It means the Bhagavad Gita is the name of the religious book for the Hindus, like Muslim for the Muslims, like Quran. For the Christians, they follow the Bible. Like Hindu people used to follow the Bhagavad Gita for their religious book. In the book, that is in the Bhagavad Gita, they insisted about the path of Bhakti Marga or the path of Bhakti. It says about the path of knowledge, Jnana. Path of knowledge, it means Jnana. Jnana, Jnana. And the path of rituals and good works, that is karma. Good works or good deeds, said in the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhakti movement. The Bhakti movement started in Tamil Nadu around 7th century. It included reciting the name of the god or goddess. Bhakti movement it means the religious movement started in the 7th century. In the movement, what they insisted or emphasized, that is reciting the name of the god or goddesses, singing hymns. Hymns, it means like songs. Bhakti songs, singing hymns in their praise, wearing religious marks. The religious marks, it means like namam. The Hindu people used to put the namam on their forehead. So they insisted to wear religious marks like namams and undertaking pilgrimage to sacred places. Devotional movements in Tamilagam. We are going to see about the Alvars and Nayanmas. Alvars were the Vaishnavite Bhakti sages, and Nayanmas were the Saivites. It means worshipper of Shiva. So Alvars used to worship the Vishnu, the name of the god, and Nayanmas worshippers of Shiva or Saivites. They composed devotional songs in Tamil language. Shiva Bhakti is associated with the Shiva's manifestations. Poems to Shiva and Vishnu, particularly about God Krishna, were composed in Tamil and other South Indian languages such as Kannada and Telugu. So, the Shiva, Vishnu and Krishna, these were the name of the gods. The people or worshippers composed songs in the South Indian languages like Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. Vishnu Bhakti or Vaishnavism is based on Vishnu's avatars, particularly Krishna and Rama. There were 12 Tamil Alvas. We'll see about the Alvas and Nayanmas. There are 63 legendary Nayanmas. Among them, Jnanasambandar, Appar and Sundarar are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. So, Nayanmars are the Shivas, that is God Shiva's Bhakti saints or Bhakti sages. Adi Shankarar and Ramanujas were the most important Hindu philosophers. Adi Shankarar emphasized about the Advaita. It means philosophy that the soul or Atma unites with the universal soul through the attainment of knowledge. Ramanujar emphasized about the Vishuddhata Vaita. It means the soul retains its identity even after uniting with Brahma. These are the differences said by Adi Shankara and Ramanujar. Adi Shankara gave importance to the Advaita, Vishuddhadvaita said by Ramanujar. Bhakti movement in North India. In the Bhakti movement, North Indian Bhakti movement, Ramananda, Vallabhacharya, Mirabai, Chaitanya, Tulasidas, Tukaram, etc. were the saints in the North Indian Bhakti movement. Among them, Tukaram was a famous saint. He was a poet of Maharashtra, saint and also a poet of Maharashtra. He sang a song which was called as Kirtanas. These Kirtanas devoted to Vittoba, that is an avatar of Krishna. So Vittoba temple which is in Maharashtra. Kabir. We are going to see about Kabir. He was a Muslim, but he came under the influence of Saint Ramananda. He accepted some Hindu ideas and tried to compare with Hinduism and Islam. Kabir believed that God is one and formless, even though different religious sects or sections give him different names and forms. He opposed discriminations on the basis of religion, caste, and wealth. He also condemned the meaningless rituals. Rituals, it means some actions or ceremony. In those time they followed, which was condemned or opposed by Kabir. Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was born in a village near Lahore in 1469. He visited many holy places and finally settled in Kartarpur near Lahore. He died there in 1539. Guru Nanak's teachings. Guru Nanak preached that God is without form and wanted his followers to practice meditation upon the name of the God for peace and ultimate salvation. Guru Nanak is considered the first Guru by the Sikh people. Guru Nanak opposed Vedic rituals and caste discrimination. The teachings of Guru Nanak formed the basis of Sikhism. The Sikh people followed Guru Nanak. His and his successors' teachings are collected in the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikh people. So, the holy book for the Sikh people is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Nanak's teachings were spread through the group singing by hymns called Kirtan. So, Sikh people's hymns or songs which are called as Kirtan, Kirtan, Kirtan. The devotees gathered in dharmasalas, which became the Gurudwaras in course of time.